Shane, Pakistan. This is the champion DJ Bravo. PSL, are you ready? All my Creators fans, let me see your hands. Every Creators fans, help me sing this song. Creator, Creator, be the gladiator. Creator, Creator, be the gladiator. Creator, it's our time. Gladiators, it's our time. This year is the time to shine. Representing on the front line. Creators, it's our time. Gladiators, it's our time. This year is the time to shine. Representing on the front line. First thing, let me salute the owner, Nadim Umoya, real champion. Also the living legend, our mentor, also Vivian. Now let me tell you about the gladiator. We have the number one all-rounder. We have the number one all-spinner. We have the number one team owner. Creator, Creator, be the gladiator. 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 Stomp them out, stomp them out, stomp them out, start first, stomp them out and run them out, run them out, run them out, Shazad, run them out and bowl them out, bowl them out, bowl them out, Narang, bowl them out and hit them out, hit them out, hit them out, Uma, hit them out. Creator, Creator, be the gladiator. 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 Shane Watson go with them for 6. Tanvir gonna take some wickets. Creators fans buy your tickets. This is the best team playing cricket. Play, play, Creators come out to play. Play, play, play at night or day. Creator, Creator, be the gladiator. 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 Sunil Narayan, purple and gold. Safraz Ahmed, purple and gold. Uma Akmal, purple and gold.